Getting lean and muscular and losing body fat and fixing that skinny fat physique so that you can take your shirt off on the beach, not feel insecure, feel a little bit more confident, have more body confidence. It's not necessarily an easy thing to do. It's simple on paper because everyone knows logically you just need to eat less and move more to a certain degree. But most men seem to struggle to make that happen. And the biggest problem with that is because they struggle to make that happen, they quite often fall backwards and they never get there. They actually go further and further away. And to be honest, if you really think about it, you're going to run out of time. You're not going to be able to achieve that physique if you aren't seeing progress currently. And I don't say that as a fearing tactic, but there is something called urgency, right? There's three things that our brain needs to achieve something. We need to emotionally want it. We need to logically understand how we're going to get it. And then we need the urgency to actually go and do it. And that's where most men fall short. They emotionally think, yeah, well, I'm sick to death looking in the mirror and seeing those side boobs and that belly. I've been telling myself for 3, 4, 5 years that I'm going to lose it, and they just don't. And then they logically think to themselves, well, okay, cool. Well, I know I need to go to the gym. I know I need to eat better. I know carbs are bad, which they're not, but that's what most people think. And that's it. That's as far as it goes. They don't set any urgency. They don't set a deadline. And the reason most men lack urgency is they don't future pace their actions. They don't think, well, I want to be lean and shredded, ready for summer. How many pounds have I got to lose? 20? Okay. What's an average amount of fat loss? 1 pound per week? Cool. So I need 20 weeks. People don't really reverse engineer it and give themselves that urgency and that sort of deadline to work towards. And without the urgency and without the deadline, you're just going to procrastinate. You're either not going to start, or you are going to start when it feels convenient, and then as soon as it's not convenient, you'll stop again. And this is why the majority of men constantly stop, start, yo-yo diet, backwards, forwards, in the middle, all over the place. And that's why people end up going on YouTube every so often to search how to lose body fat, ask ChatGPT how to lose body fat, and it's going to go, oh yes, body fat loss is a fun activity that many humans do, and all you need is a calorie deficit and a bit of protein and a bit of a treadmill and touch your ball sack and let's go. And you're going to go, great, now I logically and emotionally understand it. Where's the urgency? It's like reading a book about abdominal muscles and how to get abs. Going, bloody hell, that was a boring read. That was really boring, actually. Cool. Is there another book, though, how to really get abs, or what the fastest way to get abs? And what we're doing is we're just consuming information to make it more and more logical to ourselves, but there's no urgency. So let this video be the reason it's urgent. Summer is on the horizon. It's a little bit sunny right now, okay? It's basically like a little pre-summer right now in England. And what that does is people want to get lean for summer, which means they need to be dieting throughout winter. But when it's winter, the last thing on your mind is abs and muscle and losing body fat. Winter, you're eating and chilling because it's cold outside and you want to be cozy and warm and you wear your long sleeves. And then the sun comes out, you take your shirt off and you go, oh shit, I need to get on that diet. But if you're trying to diet in summer, that's when all the temptation, all the fun is. That's when you got the holidays, the beer gardens, the pissing about. As soon as the sun's out, everyone goes for beers. So how are you going to get lean now? Do you see what I'm saying? You have to future pace and be realistic with yourself. What goal do you have? How long is it going to take to get there? And what do you need to be doing now to move forward every single day and win the day? Give yourself some urgency to get it done, because if you don't win every single day, you're going to go backwards every single day. And every day you go backwards is another day you need to be on track. So if you've just been, the past 3 months kind of dawdling about and not really being on track, it's going to take you another 3 months of locked in and pushing forward to get anywhere. So you need to give yourself some future pacing and urgency to get it done, because if it's raining or it's cold or you don't feel like it or you've slept like shit, you're going to give yourself an excuse not to go to the gym. You're going to give yourself an excuse. It's been a long day. Let me have the takeaway. Fair enough. But if you knew that in 6 weeks you're going on vacation or a wedding and someone's going to snap some photos of you, or, you're getting married yourself and you want to look the best you can, or you're going on a stag do or you've got a holiday, you'd be thinking, oh, so I got 6 weeks, mate. I can't be fucking about. And guess what? That's because you've got some urgency, so you'll get it done. In fact, this worked really well for me. I'll put up a little picture here. I locked in for 4 weeks and I made some decent fat loss in that small amount of time. Was it easy? No. But why did I lock in for 4 weeks? Because I had a little vacation on the horizon. So I made a lot of progress in 4 weeks compared to 4 months faffing about around Christmas. I'll give you a few examples. This is my client Ross. He was trying to lose body fat for about 10 years on and off. And he didn't really get anywhere because there was no urgency, there was no deadline. And as he was getting older, he thought, fucking hell, if I don't do this soon, I'll never get the chance. So we reached out, we got on with it, and he managed to lose his belly and gain a little bit of abs and a little bit of muscle in about 4 months. Same with Reese. Obviously, he was a younger lad, but he'd been trying to lose body fat for about 3 years on and off. He'd even worked with a personal trainer and basically just got told to run around and eat salad. So we worked together. He's able to get a head-turning, life-changing transformation in 12 months. Why? Because there's urgency, because we set deadlines and we mapped it out and he had my accountability. So if you don't get started soon, summer's going to be here in a blink of an eye. And if you're at the beer gardens now, you're probably going to go backwards. So I don't mean for this video to come across rude or trying to scare you. I'm just trying to make sure you get moving, because I always set these goals, and if I don't have a deadline for it, they don't happen. Set a deadline, get some urgency, realize you do not have forever. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to be a longer and more difficult process than you think. And as soon as you manage those expectations and you get on with it with some urgency, you will get there. It's a mathematical equation of calories in, calories out, and getting stronger. Now look, I don't like being vague in these videos. I like to give practical, tangible advice. Let me keep this really simple. If you're skinny fat and you want to lose some body fat and you want to gain a bit of muscle and get that lean muscular physique so you can take your shirt off on the beach and have your abs and not have love handles, you're best off starting off with a recomposition. Don't bulk because you're going to gain body fat. Don't go on a typical cut because you might lose a lot of size. Typical cut might work well for you, but in my experience, if you're skinny fat, it's just going to make you look worse. A recomposition, lose body fat, gain muscle. How do we do this, I hear you ask? Download my free Nutritional blueprint. That's going to show you how to set up your calories, because everyone is different. You might need 2,000 calories, someone else might need 3,000 calories. Some people like myself at the moment, I need 1,700 calories. So everyone's different. That will show you how to set that up and how to distribute your macros, your proteins, carbs, and fats. Track it. I know it's boring. You probably don't want to hear that. And if you don't want to track, you can do a meal plan, but just make sure that those numbers add up to what that nutritional blueprint tells you. Because if those numbers are vague, your results will be vague. You need to hit the target to get the target. Then you're going to pair this with something very simple. Get in the gym, focus on strength. If you can do 3 days a week, do a pull, push, legs, back, chest, and legs, okay? If you could do 2 days in the gym, do upper body, lower body. If you can do 1 day in the gym, do full body. If you can do 5 days in the gym, you probably don't need it. Do pull, push, legs, and put cardio around it on those days in between. Keep things simple when it comes to the gym. People overcook it and overcomplicate it. I have made more progress doing 2 movements very, very well with clear progressive overload by adding reps and weight and working on my form than I ever did doing 3 times a week the same muscle group, 7 exercises per muscle group. In fact, just for context, this photo right here was me training every single day as a part of a challenge, and this is me training 3 days a week, half an hour tops. So I see better progress in these photos over here. That's why less is more, because you can actually overload and actually recover. So get stronger, hit your nutritional targets, and then the hardest part is actually doing it and staying accountable. That is why the urgency helps. Set a deadline, remain accountable, post on social media so people can see that you're doing it so that you don't feel like you want to skip it. Or if you're really desperate and you just want to get on with it, or you've set a deadline that is really important to you, you can work with me one-to-one like all my clients have over here. I'll give you the accountability. I'll coach you through it step by step, fully custom. It's not a meal plan of chicken, broccoli, and rice. I will get you to log your food. I will look through it and then adjust it for you specifically. It's one-on-one coaching. That's why my clients get ridiculously good results. And I don't mean to sound arrogant. I'm just very proud of it. If you need that help, you can book a call with me down below, or just message me on Instagram at Elite Transformation Project. Anyway, I hope that quick, tangible blast of information actually helps you get on with it. The bottom line is you don't have forever. Get on with it now. You know, best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is now. So stop watching this and go and do some push-ups. Subscribe and watch this video if you want a bit more specifics on fixing skinny fat.